We have interrupted Cbeebies for an important message that is currently broadcasting on BBC News. This is not a test. 7 weeks ago, a volcano emerged from the ground. This volcano's location was on Scotland, and in 5 hours that volcano will erupt, and it will be so big that it will release extreme toxic air in the atmosphere reaching thousands of miles wide and height. Even the Scottish breakout event once stopped it. The worst part is that it's not fixable. We highly recommend you stay indoors, lock all doors and windows in a while. Do not panic. Panicking will just reduce air in your home. This toxic air will last for 2 days. Here that you gotta do before this happens: go to your nearest supermarket and get everything you need to survive: food, water, and equipments. Please stay safe out there. Goodbye.